Alright, so this is Kahoot. Kahoot can be downloaded on your phone, tablet, or you can even go to the web and type in Kahoot. It's going to be the second one down, and it doesn't cost anything, which is the best part. So I've created a short little one to be able to show everyone. Let me get on my phone. And you can pick between player versus player, so everyone is playing on their own, or you can create teams if you have too big of a classroom. And we'll go for classic for this one. And it will come up, since I've already created it, here's the pin. And when you're on your other device, you'll type this in. And it's being stubborn. It's not letting. There we go. And the greatest thing about this is you can do nicknames or you can do real names. This lets kids understand that they can be wrong and other kids don't need to know who they are, so this builds some self-esteem building in this. So we'll go ahead and start. I only have 2 questions on this one that I've made. And it gives us a second to see the question. And it is, what is the best subject? We have PE, art, math, or music. The thing that I don't like about this is on the other device for whoever's playing, if this is on a projector and they're sitting kind of far away, they may not be able to see the words because all that appear are the shapes. And since I took the time talking, I didn't click on my phone, so it just said time's up, and so I didn't get any points for that. So I'm going to go over here and click next. And this one's going to be a true or false that I've created. And of course, PE is the best subject because that is my class that I teach. And so on this as well, the faster that you click on the right answer, the more points you get. So if your partner that you're sitting next to clicked on it, but they took a few more seconds, they would get less points. So that is it for that. And we can go down to new game. And you can even do like already made Kahoots. Or I can hit create new. I can type my question in here. So I'll just type in ABC. And it even lets us down here put in a video clip. So if we were doing a video study, I can ask who the character was. I could upload an image of like a soccer ball and asking what sport is this, how many players are on the field. And I can type in which one. And then it will give me check marks on the right side. And let's just say ball's the right answer. So I'm going to click on it and highlight it green. And I can go to add a question, and here's where I got to pick if it was a quiz or a true or false. So let's go to true or false. And it is the same thing again. And we can go ahead and click done. Since I didn't enter it as a question, I'll just keep it as a draft for now for time's sake. And this is Kahoot. Thanks for watching.